Side investigation behind the sinkhole verdict.
A jury found this couple guilty for lying about a sinkhole. Now, one of the jurors who helped convict them is telling us why the jury made that decision. It's a first of its kind federal case, and it was started with our 8 on Your Side investigation.
And tonight, one of the jurors is opening up about the trial for the very first time. 8 on Your Side investigative reporter Shannon Benkin joins us now. It's always interesting to hear from jurors.
It is, and the jurors in this case, they didn't get to hear our investigation before making their decision, and they were unaware that their decision could set precedent for other criminal cases. But now we get a glimpse of what went on in that jury room.
Took the judge's instructions.
Ken Thomas took his job last week as juror number 6 very seriously.
It boils down to stealing.
It was up to Thomas and fellow jurors to decide whether Glenn and Catherine Jason will face prison time, accused of lying on real estate disclosure forms to a family with 5 children about a gigantic sinkhole under their house.
I don't feel that they're bad people, you know, I don't, but good people do bad things sometimes.
In under 2 hours, the jury voted guilty. They were not swayed by the defense theory that their real estate agent doctored the paperwork.
It just didn't seem like that would be something that someone would risk their license over and their, their profession to have one sale.
Thomas didn't feel Catherine Jason's testimony seemed truthful.
The price that they put the house on the market for did not have any kind of deduction for a sinkhole or anything like that. So it was pretty obvious to us that that they intended to sell it without disclosing the sinkhole.
The prosecutor wanted to show the jury part of our 8 on Your Side investigation, but the judge stopped it.
That video was one of the things that really piqued our...
Now that the case is over, Thomas watched our interview with Glenn Jason on his own. They say that they have recently lost their insurance because of the sinkhole there.
No, not that to my knowledge, no.
You didn't know there was a sinkhole there?
No.
And this just reaffirms to Thomas the guilty verdict was the right one. The couple found guilty will now face a federal judge for sentencing. This charge of wire fraud comes to a maximum of 20 years in prison. The government is also seeking fines for the victims.
Now, Shannon, I know when these charges were filed, law enforcement said, well, that means there could be other cases like these. Do we know if they're pursuing any others?
They did say that, and I've been asking them. They are pursuing them. They're working other cases, and they keep telling me that they hope that this case is sending the message to all the folks out there sitting on money. Don't do this, or they're going to be coming after you, too.
It's a tough sentence, too, the max there.
It is.
That'll get anybody's attention. All right, Shannon.
They're not messing around.
Yeah, thanks so much.